Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Good morning all of you. Dear kids, I hope so that all of you are fine. It is our Urdu lesson. प्यार बच्चों, आज तारीख़ है 6 सितंबर 2021 और आज दिन है पीर। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम उर्दू के सबक में हर्फ जीम के ख़ानदान की दोहराई करेंगे। Dear kids, the first member is Jim itself. This is the letter Jim. Which letter is this, class? This is the letter Jim. There is a little head and then there is a big belly of Jim. This is the letter Jim. Kids, Jim is having one dot in its belly. How many dots are there in the belly of Jim? There is one dot in the belly of Jim. And the sound of letter Jim is J, J, J. Here we have the similar letter, but there are 3 dots in it. This is called Ch, Ch, Ch. And the sound of letter Ch is Ch, Ch, Ch. Jim, Che. Here we have the letter He. There is no dot over He. There is no dot in the belly of He. Ha, ha, ha. It makes sound of ha, ha. Dear kids, repeat after me. Jim, Che, He, and He. The last family member is He. He is having one dot over it. This is the letter He. He, H, H, H. Dear kids, now repeat after me. Jim, Che, He, He. Jim, J, Jim, J, Jim, J. Che, Ch, Che, Ch. He, H. He, H, He, H, H. So class, here you can see that here is the column of letters and here are some objects, here are some pictures. Class, you will have to identify that which letter is this, and after that you will join this letter to its relevant picture. We will identify the initial sounds, like this is the letter Jim. Which letter is this, class? Jim. We know that Jim is having one dot in its belly. This is the letter Jim. And the sound of letter Jim is J, J, J. Now we will compare these two pictures and we will see whose initial sound is J. This is Chand. This is Chand. And this is Juta. Jim, Juta. Jim sound is J and Juta sound is also J. J, J, Juta. Its initial sound is J, J. So we will match Jim with this picture of जूता. जीम जूता. प्यारे बच्चों, जीम से होता है जूता. जीम जूता. Now see which letter is this? This is the letter Ch, and the Ch sound is Ch, Ch, Ch. So is it matching with the sound of Chand? Yes, the Chand's initial sound is Ch, Ch, Ch. And Ch is the sound of letter Ch also. So we will match this Ch with this Chand. Jim, Jajuta. Ch, Chachand. Yay, we have matched correct letters with their correct pictures, with their relevant pictures. Now we will see that what are these letters and what are these pictures. Class, will you tell me which letter is this? Yay, this is the letter He, and the He sound is H, H, h. Now we will see that from these two pictures whose sound is h. This is khat and this is halwa. I guess halwa's initial sound is h, 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 halwa. So kids, match this letter he with halwa. Now it's the last letter of Jim family and we know that this is khe. Khe sound is h, h, h. Now we have only this picture. This is the picture of khat. Dear kids, identify that khat's initial sound is h, h, h. Yay! Both sounds are same. Khe, h, khat, h. So we will match this khe with the letter with the picture of khat. Khe, khat. Dear kids, do practice of this in your neat notebook and send it to me. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.